as we all know that in the typical configuration of the computer, we have studied that input device plays a very important role in our computer, because this is a device which connects the external environment to the computer, as well as we have studied in the typical configuration of computers, or in our fundamentals of computers, the input device which converts the human readable language into the machine readable language. That is, input device not only receives the data, and also these data are fed into the computer through memory, but at the time of feeding this data into the CPU, it converts this data into a machine readable language, that is zeros and one, that is binary. What are the input devices? They are keyboard, mouse, joystick, OCR and MICR. Okay. Coming to the keyboard, you can see the structure of the keyboard and you have seen the keyboard. Okay. It is nothing but a it is a mimicry, or it's a, not, we can call it as a just a replacement for a typewriter. If you have seen earlier days typewriter and our keyboard, the only difference is, in the typewriter we used to press a key. The key, when we press, the head will go and hit on the ribbon. It goes and hit on the ribbon, and the head having an impression of that key. Let's take example, if you are taking A, if you press on A, the head then goes and hit on the ribbon will be having a ink. This ink will be imprinted on the paper. The same concept was taken from the typewriter and make it as a keyboard. In the keyboard, we can see alphabet keys, numeric keys, punctuation keys and functional keys. Alphabet, as we know that A to Z, numeric keys 1 to 0, 0 to 9, punctuation keys, comma and semicolon, at, etc. Functional keys, there will be some special keys. The functional keys are some of the special keys which perform the special function. Okay, and these keyboards are transfer the data, what we enter on the keyboard. These data are transferred in the form of ASCII codes, American Standard Code of International. Okay, what is ASCII code? In the next chapter you will come to know. You just think that it will be sent all the data to the computer through the ASCII code. As I told earlier, it is converted into the machine level language. ASCII code is also a machine level language, okay, which can only recognized by our computer. There are different types of keyboards. The first keyboard is a standard keyboard. A standard keyboard which is having a alphabet keys, number keys, functional keys and punctual keys, total around 105 to 108 keys. A normal keyboard. Then some keyboards are there, especially we call it as a multimedia keyboards, which will be having a multimedia keys. Example, pause, play, forward, backward and internet, calculator keys. These are some special keys will be there. But normally keyboards are called as QWERTY keyboards. Normally keyboards are called as QWERTY keyboards because the first letter of the key, you can see here QWERTY. The first alphabetic keys is QWERTY. We call it as QWERTY keys. Okay. Next comes with the ergonic keyboards. What are ergonic keyboards? The ergonic keyboards is designed such that to avoid the stress or strain, or to avoid the injuries, and also to make the posture correct. See, some people, especially in the keyboards and mouse bandaga, the sitting posture is very important, and also the height of the keyboard and mouse placement is also very important, because the arms what we are using for the typing and for our use of mouse, we are used for hours, which creates a strain in our arms. Okay, to avoid those strains, there are some keyboards which are very smooth and they're designed very uniquely, such that the stress on the hands and the arms are reduced. Okay, especially there are some of the syndromes called prevent carpal tunnel syndromes will be created, which creates a strains in your arms, you can see that this is a normal keyboard, and this is an ergonomic keyboard. It is little bit like wavy, it's in the wavy form. Okay, next comes to the wireless keyboard. As we know that anything without wire we call it as a wireless, and the keyboard we call it as wireless keyboard. It use a Bluetooth or infrared or a radio. There are different types of Bluetooth, that is a wireless device. It may use a Bluetooth as a signal transmitter, infrared as a signal transmitter, radio frequency. If it is a Bluetooth and a radio frequency, it can take the distance of 40 feet distance. If it is infrared, then the keyboard should be placed nearer to the what we call the adapter, which is used for a wireless keyboard. Okay, and coming to virtual keyboard or the keyboard, nothing but the word virtual means false. It looks like a real, but it's not real. The best example is your mobile keypads. In the mobile, you are using this, especially now touch screens are there. In the touch screen, you will use to type anything. It may be WhatsApp or Facebook, where you used to type, where the keyboard will pop up and you type there and it will disappear. That is, they are the virtual keyboards. They are not actual keyboards. They are the keyboards which looks like keyboard, where we can type it. We can type it. Otherwise, we call it as a virtual keyboard. And last comes with the compact keyboards, a keyboard without numerical keys. That means there will not be numerical keys. There will be numerical keys, where the numerical keys will be present with some other keys. We call it as multiple keys. Like the letter A will be containing A also, and it will be given with one special key called function key. We can press that and we can type the numbers also. To make the keyboard very compact, especially used in your laptops. They are especially used in your laptops. Okay. Next comes to the mouse. Mouse is manually operated utility for selection equipment. This is the expansion of the mouse. Mouse is nothing but manually operated utility for selection equipment. As its expansion says, it is used for selection. It is used for the selection. What? And the points which appears on the screen, we call it as a pixel. I can tell you detail within the output. Okay. Here, this pixel which provides a small arrow-like structure, we call it as a cursor. The cursor which moves up, down, left, right, and it is also having a given with a special function, especially how the cursor moves in a three-dimensional. It will use as the three-dimension X, Y, Z dimension, where the light, especially nowadays you can see with the mouse with the light. Okay, this light which reflects on the reflector, and it falls on the surface which we move. When we move it, the light get deflected, and it sends the message to the sensor, and this message is sent to the computer to move our cursor from right, left, up and down. Okay, and our mouse is also having a roller on the center which can scroll. We call it as a scroller, not the roller, scroller, and also right and left keys, okay. These are the different types of mouse. Say this is a mechanical mouse. There is a small white ball on the mouse. This ball moves. You can see this X, Y, Z. This is a three-dimension observation. See, you can start. You should don't do the annotation. Okay, just remove that annotation. Okay, say This is a you can see the mouse here. Okay, this is a mechanical mouse. This mechanical mouse, coming to this mechanical mouse, here having a ball, a metallic ball which moves, to that there is a small wheels are attached which provides the direction to the mouse. This is a light emitter mouse, okay, and also the same thing we can see the IR mouse also. And this is a wireless mouse, and this is an ergonomic mouse. This is an ergonomic mouse with a multi-function on the mouse, and we can also call a gamer mouse also, a gamer mouse. Okay. Next comes to the joystick. It is also an input device where a stick is pivoted on the base, and those stick which is used for controlling and having a numerous buttons. These buttons has its own functions. This button has its own function. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್. ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೇನ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರ್, underwater unarmed vehicles, surveillance camera, as also it is also used in the drones, and also unmanned planes. Unmanned planes we can use this joystick. Okay, each button has its own function. Each button has its own function. Those who are gamers, those who have played with the joystick, they know very well. Okay. Next comes the OMR, that is optical reading and recognition. Say there will be OMR sheet where we can circle or darken the area. These darkened areas will be read by a feeder. This is a feeder, and these marks are, that is a mark ಏನಿದೆ black annotate ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. These marks were converted, where each mark having one marks or there is some meaning. It is converted directly into the computer so that the evaluation can be done very easily. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ OMRs, ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ರೀಡರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಕ್ಷಾನುಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಜನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ OMR ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಶೀಟು ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ OCR, ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ರೀಡರ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ character recognition pen which reads the character on any of those. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟರು ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, and next is the magnetic ink character recognition, mainly used in the bank. Here you can see MICR code. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, this is dyed with a, that is a, it is what we call inked with a special ink called magnetic ink. It is read by the magnetic ink character recognition reader only. Okay, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, so that each bank has their own codes, so that ಇದನ್ನು duplicate ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. And these codes can be fed. These codes are fed through the feeder. So directly these code having all the information. You can see these codes having all the information of this check. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಂಬರು, ಅವರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಇಂಕಿಗೆ MIC ಕೋಡಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, this is all those what we have studied today. These are all input